Many times can be particularly stressful for couples who are experiencing infertility because of the time that is spent with family and friends, and commonly uh, when family gatherings are there are other children, or people may be asking them questions about whether they're planning on having a family. Some couples are particularly open about the struggles that they're going through, and others are more private. And there are a couple of things that you may be able to do during the holidays to help try to decrease some of the stress and some of the disappointments that you might experience. I think first and foremost is to recognize that infertility is a reason, it's a life stressor, and it is a reason to be sad and frustrated. And I think it's perfectly fine, and accept the fact that it's okay at times to be sad, and not necessarily feel that you always need to be happy. And I think sometimes trying to keep the emotions bottled up is actually harder. And if you've shared your infertility journey with family and friends, talk to them about it. Express how you're feeling. Talk to your significant other. Spend time doing that. I think the other thing is be a little selfish. Spend some time being a friend to yourself. Pick one event each day that is something that you want to do, whether that's going for a hike, whether that's reading a book, whether it's sleeping late, but spend time doing what you want to do. Also, family gatherings can be particularly difficult, especially if there are going to be young children that are there. So if that's hard for you, try not to place yourself in a position that you would be exposed to a lot of young children or babies. This may be difficult. You may feel kind of awkward telling your family you're not going to come to the events, but it's okay. I mean, this is really a time, it's your holidays as well, and you need to feel comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable not going to the party at all, maybe show up late, or show up after the children would have gone to bed. Again, trying to minimize some of those things. Another thing that can be done is to have a pre-planned response if someone does ask you, are you trying to have a baby? Don't you want to have children? Is something pre-planned, so you don't have to sit there and worry about it. You already have it on your mind, and you may just say, this is really something I don't want to talk about. I understand that you're concerned about me. I know that you care about me, but right now this is something that we're going through, and I'd really rather not discuss it. And if I need that support from you, then I'll certainly reach out and ask you for that support. And so I think those are some of the things that can certainly be done to help improve the holiday season for you. You don't need to feel that you always need to be happy. Once again, you don't need to feel that you need to make everybody else's holiday parties. It's okay to say no, and remember that the holidays for you as well. It's a time for you to relax and try to enjoy, and don't try necessarily to meet everyone else's expectations, but meet the expectations for you as well as your significant other. Enjoy the holidays, and I hope these tips have helped.